Dear students, fourth semester BCom, the subject of principles of event management. In this, I am going to discuss fourth chapter of public relations. In this, first of all, I am going to discuss about the introduction. Public relations build and maintain good beneficial relationship between an organization and public, which influence the success or failure of the organization. So, to be beneficial relationship be maintained, organization should have a good relationship with the public, and public relation is another tool of promotional mix designed to improve, maintain or project a company or product image. To be create the good product image, good product with the organization, the company organization should maintain with the public good relations. And communication is the root of public relation. Public relation is either through visual, written or spoken words with others. Organization maintaining the good relationship with the public, communicating through the written or spoken or oral through the internet, and it creating mutual understanding between corporate and its public. Of course, maintaining continued relationship with the public among the organization and public, mutual understanding has been created, and the two-way communication process it builds favorable public opinion, goodwill and corporate image. It includes media, communication, advertisement, society and etc. Finally, public relation is essential for organization. Next, I am going to discuss meaning of public relation. Public relation is a strategic communication process that builds mutually beneficial relationship between organization and their public. Of course, public relation is the long-term process to the organization to have a continued communication process. Mutual relationship understanding has been required between organization and public. Next, definition of public relation. Public relations are the management function that identifies, establishes and maintains mutual beneficial relationship between an organization and its public upon whom its success depends. Yes, management function is the maintaining the good relationship, identifying and establishing, maintaining, then only there is a mutual benefit between organization and public. Next, importance of public relation. Public relation is powerful tool for creating image, building awareness and consumer preference. Of course, it is the powerful tool to the organization to develop and create image and by satisfying consumer preferences. In the eyes of consumers, it helps in creating a good and favorable image of company product, and it helps in influencing the national and local government and decision affecting the organization. So the national and local government influencing of decision will be based on organization has maintaining the good relationship. Next, the introduction of new products by providing information about them to news media, press release or in any another way. So the importance of public relation is any new products will be introduced by the organization, the information will be passed to the news media by press release. In this way, the communication has passed to the public, organization has maintaining the relationship with the public. Finally, it helps in influencing specific groups and establishing relationship with them which may be favorable to organization. So the specific groups are required particular information communication from the organization. So the organization has passing the information to the particular public. So the result is it has been establishing the relationship between organization and public. Next, nature of public relations. It establish good image of organization, communication and to make involved in the event. Conduct market intelligence. So to establish the good image of organization communication, that it is the one of the nature of public relations. And writing and distributing news release to the mass media, educate certain audience about the event and organization. The nature of public relation is writing and distributing the information to the mass media and educating the certain audience also. In this manner, the public relations will be developed by organization and generate sponsorship for events. The nature of public relation is it has creating the sponsors for the organization to do the events and organizing press conference, develop goodwill through a two-way communication process. The another nature of public relation is press conference can be organized, developing the goodwill by two-way communication and evaluate public attitude and opinion. The nature of public relation is it has been evaluating the public positive attitude, public good opinion, and finally plan, implement the organization efforts to influence or change public policy. To creating the new planning, implementing the organization effortlessly influencing and changing and improving policy, these are considered as the nature of public relations. Next is finally limitation of public relations. The drawback of public relation is incomplete communication process. That is, the public has not responding, not replying to the organization properly. It is also breaking of relationship with the public. Next, the disadvantage is lack of coordination. That is, marketing department and HR department independently working, not passing the information. There is no coordination also. It is also another drawback of the organization not having the continued public relation. And one more disadvantage is public relation cannot totally whitewash tarnished image. That is, public having some misunderstanding, misconception about the organization, that is totally cannot be changed the about the company image. The next one more drawback of the public relation is inaccurate message. That is, for the press release information has paused, the writers will create the newsworthy information and also wrong message, wrong information, misleading. These are also drawback. And also writer has been looking in the negative angle about the organization. It is also the drawback of the breaking of relationship with the public. Finally, the disadvantage of the public relation is reputation. So company cannot be get reputation without the relationship with the public. So to get the continued relationship with the public, without nothing, company cannot create the public relations. To reputation to be developed, something have to be done, something should be continued to produce the public, then only organization can be developed the relationship with the public. Thank you.